What's up mga katimang? Day 3. Tapos na yung kitchen as you can see. Everything. Ito na lang ang aayusin ko ngayon today. And then some look at the paint.
Isn't it gorgeous? Wow!
And then all that today. Dito naman tayo sa living area. Ito naman ang mga paint natin. But we're still thinking of different color para medyo iba naman sa kitchen.
Okay. And I bought some charcoal color. I'm gonna paint this like a chalkboard. Yan, para medyo kakaiba naman ang aming fridge. May kasamang chalkboard.
Can you draw on it?
We can draw in it. We're gonna put Team Mang Canada going to Canada.
Menu for today.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, day 3, katimang digdoser tayo. Iwa-wipe muna namin sa lahat ng backboards para kapitan ulit siya. Para hindi na mag-sandless ng
Hindi na tayo kailangan mag-sand.
para kakapitan siya ng paint. And yeah, let's do it, katimang. See you. Oh guys, okay na, na-apply na namin ng deglosser. So, wait lang tayo ng 30 minutes and then look.
Okay guys, break time muna tayo. So, nagluto ako ng fish fillet and then tayo salad. Fish fillet. Kurt, lunchtime.
Later.
Putahan naman natin si Timang. Mr. Timang, lunchtime na. Let's go! Okay guys, break is over. We're gonna continue painting it. So, ipipaint ko yung mga corners. I'm gonna paint all the corners there. Ayan. Okay. So, let's get started. Love it. It's so good.
I can already.
Look at that. What a kitchen.
So on day 3, we add
Keep
a backsplash.
life simple.
Yes. We already painted the fridge with charcoal color. Hey guys, comment down below what do you think of our camper. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.